Shokan Mohammed Accra Lions midfielder Oda Kumasi Asante Kotoko Rada so. And there is this player as you say Accra Suffolk and Kotoko fight over. Apparently Kotoko is shown interest. Kotoko Nkomodi ko I'm talking about Razak Kasim, also a midfielder. Now Omumi no deal to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The information I met is a 1 I just a Kotoko press deeper. Yes, I just a crop press deeper. Now enra new report by say Kotoko my express interest to say an agreement with Samuel Tenedu of Legon Cities no Samuel Tenedu no minia bullets the trim I dream see idea so player on that screen is Samuel Tenedu no or a defensive midfielder Sakotoko nyani say kima who here cries a Kotoko ebe pursue for Shokan Mohammed and I say Razak Kasim no. Serious we know a fact and I'm a no. Sakotoko nya player we are Kotoko should decide to leave negotiations with Razak Kasim has for any bread and then no. And a Shokan Mohammed deal no so. The tennis say a brutal officer ba as Sikaneye and debi ameka say minim obi a ode ato Ghana fo tirimu se abuchi unya kwa abuchi no ano no na Ghana footballers no kra de omo bo so omo kwa abuchi a meka omo a omo kobo lesser known teams no obekọ but me see within 2-3 months na ni di anyera e wo system no but sa obo Asante Kotoko na sa obo Accra Suffolk na obo ni ya master tambia within wo system no yes de bia me de Richmond Lamptey ebe example me de Danlad Ibrahim be example abrochire ba bi no omo wa enya ade anko menya national team call up but and am say ye Kotoko ye has ni de bia no omeba so Shokan Mohammed ye no abrochire officer ba Accra Lions for no person omo de ko diska bum no omo de ye omo team because omo team no akoye toneton teteton so enti Accra Lions Shokan Mohammed to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no likely say this season you aje say magic be puli and the way Accra Suffolk for no so ani abre Razak Kasim no enya dia me sure say Razak Kasim the godfather the manager ankasa has ni Masaudu opese the boy no ekọ Accra Suffolk enti Kotoko emfa na ni nyina ehwe sa this player Samuel Tenedu onimbo bo na Kotoko nyana Kotoko wouldn't need Shokan or Razak Kasim and asema make senior citizens mumake bullets baby I will be a mechiao bullets una otwe madwin see side way so tu for nyankopon sha